guys, welcome back to the channel again. How are you? Tell me in the comment. Today I will make macaroni crispy one, means dry one, like kurkure. Like kurkure I will make. From macaroni I will make kurkure. I have taken this macaroni. You can see I have boiled it 80%, not much. 7 to 8 minutes you have to boil it. It should be half cooked, not full. And we have taken this ingredients. See, rice flour, maida, 2 tablespoon maida, 1 tablespoon rice flour, half cup breadcrumbs. This is corn flour. As you can see, 2 tablespoon. And I have mixed this masala. In this masala we have black salt and that amchur powder, raw mango powder, and black pepper, and that jeera. And I have taken red Kashmiri mish powder and oil and a bowl to marinate it. Let's marinate. First we will put 1 tablespoon maida. I have taken this much. 1 tablespoon maida. If you need more we can add. I have given 1 tablespoon breadcrumbs, 1 tablespoon corn flour, and 1 tablespoon rice flour. Now we will mix it well. It should be coated well with this. It should be coated well with this. We have mixed it. Now we will add red Kashmiri mish 1 tablespoon. We should not. I have taken 2 tablespoon all things, but we will not need that. Only 1 tablespoon all things are coated. Only it should be coated well. Not much needed. It is coated well. Now we will heat the pan. You should take a frying pan and heat it. The frying pan should be heated well, and the oil should be minimum in the pan so that it will fry very good in that. Let it heat. Let it heat it well, guys. Let's see it's heated or not. It's half heated. Let it heat more. It is heated, guys. Now let's add. Let's see it's heated or not. No, it's not heated. We should put a sample and see it's heated or not. No, it is not heated. Let's see. It is heated now, guys. Let's add. Now let's and we should not disturb it for 2 minutes. Let it little fry, then we will fry. Now we should see it's frying or not. Fry in high flame only. See, it's frying. It should be fried well like kurkure. It is fried well, guys. Now we will take out in the plate. I have taken a plate with tissue paper. Now I will medium the flame and now I have taken it and I will mix the masala now in it. 1 tablespoon. And mix it. See, it's coated well with masala. It's ready to eat. It is crispy like kurkure, as you can see. How is this? Tell me in the comment. And if you like my kurkure macaroni, then tell me. And if you want my next recipe, then I will give you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.